babes, instead of filming, could you set up the food on the trays, please? Or show Jonathan how to do it.
Johnny, there's anything there left?
Oh, look, Trez, y'all.
Boys.
What is going on? All of this is toys? Y'all gonna need more wrapping paper looking like this.
We got more fun.
Wow.
I think we should stop rapping. I think that is enough, and we should take a break.
Johnny!
Seriously.
No.
Rap everything.
Yes, I will.
No, Jennifer, stop. Put a pause.
I could work in off the box.
I thought I wasn't either.
Somebody go. Oh! This is the
Jennifer got every single present coming in. I got my niece with me.
Alright, guys.
There's Matthew and Jonathan. There you go.
battle shit.
She's been waiting for Matthew.
Oh, my baby.
He's gonna walk past me.
She's waiting for
Even
Matthew.
acknowledge it.
You want me to let go? Let's just clean up now. Let's set up.
What are you doing, Amberly?
I'm organizing. Look at the girls' house. Do not film me. Really? Really? I can't look. Whoa! Yeah, let Tina be in the film.
I want a battleship for Christmas. Pastor, I know I'm a big kid at heart. This is, All right. Somebody's gonna be lucky and they're gonna get a battleship then. And they got a Monopoly.
Okay, honey, let's do this. Let's put away these boxes because people are gonna start coming in, and let's finish organizing those over there.
Excuse me.
And let's clean up.
Excuse me.
Let's clean up. Let's put these boxes away. Because it's already 4 o'clock. We're supposed to start in 5 minutes. So let's put them away. And then I'm thinking in Donovan's building.
We'll keep them on hand.
Put them on hand? Okay.
Let's take a corner and put them separately. And then when these gifts are done, hand off those gifts.
Okay, so we'll put them in a corner. Right here. Maybe right nice in here. Matt. Y'all, people are here, y'all. People are coming in.
Yeah, look, Jennifer.
All right. Let's get everything. Let's start cleaning up.
Let's go.
Let them come in. Babe, get that ladder, please. Yeah, you can't have them.